viewers, here we're gonna do some roasted chicken on the Weber Smoky Mountain, and as you can see, I've already seasoned them. So we're gonna do 2 chickens which have been halved, and we're gonna use the barbecue rub from Killer Hogs and the AP salt from Killer Hogs. You've seen me use it many times. I'm gonna go out there and get the Smoky Mountain started. Okay, I'm gonna get the fire started. All right, everybody, good afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and grill some chickens, roast them, and as you can see, I already got it prepped, and I put the AP rub by Killer Hogs and also the barbecue rub by Killer Hogs, and we're gonna roast it. As you can see, we got the chicken on the Weber Smoky Mountain, and we're not messing around today. We're gonna do 2 whole chickens. Here's my grill. I'm about to add some apple wood into this to get it smoking, and should be done within a couple hours. And this bad boy right here, the Weber Smoky Mountain Grill. So it should be a good cook, fun cook. Hang with me. Check this out. Can you guys see that? The magic has started. The Weber Smoky Mountain. It is smoking its butt off in there. So we got 2 whole chickens, and we'll be back in a couple hours. We're gonna temp them. Hello, everybody. The Weber Smoky Mountain is doing its thing. Look at this chicken. It's almost up to temp. It's almost time we're gonna sauce it and take it out. But what a beautiful job by this grill. Let's look at this. Let me come around. Look at what a beautiful bird. And it's been spatchcocked, so, and then I halved it. But I mean, just gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is the grill right here, the Smoky Mountain. Just beautiful to work on. Alrighty, the chicken's almost up to temp, but I want to crisp up the skin. So what I did is I flipped the chicken over, and look at this. Man, it's cooked beautifully from the bottom. It shouldn't take very much longer. Alrighty, as you can see, this chicken is ready, and it's time to sauce it. It is just gorgeous. This Weber Smoky Mountain has done a beautiful job. So we'll just sauce it, keep it in here for 5-10 minutes, and it's ready to serve. What a beautiful chicken this is. And something different that I did that I hadn't been doing is the Weber Smoky Mountain comes with a water pan. And I was watching some videos on the net, and a lot of the guys don't like the water pan. I can see why now. This was a fast cook, a hot cook, and it really made the chicken really crisp, which I know everybody in the family is gonna enjoy. But this is just beautiful. This chicken is done already, but you know how it is. You gotta put some sauce on it. And if you guys can feel the roaring fire coming out of this grill, whew, it's something else. But here we are. I hope you enjoyed this cook. I'll bring it in when I'm getting ready to cut it up. We'll show you. Alrighty, the chicken is sauced and it's ready. We're getting ready to serve it. Teresa's inside making some beans and rice. But you guys get the gist of this. I wish they had smell TV because this smells out of this world. I hope you enjoyed this. I sure did. Have fun. Be back soon.